Hello, my charming YouTube family. It's lovely to see you all again. I hope you're all well. If you want to learn which AI skills can actually make you money in 2026, not just trending skills, not just theory, but real high income skills backed by data, market demand, and real earning potential, then this video might be one of the most important videos you watch this year. Because today, I am not going to give you a random list. I am going to break down exactly which AI skills are growing the fastest, why they matter, how much they can pay, and how you can start from zero. And if you stay till the end, I will give you a simple roadmap that you can follow to start building income using these skills. This is part of the Wealth AI series where we focus on turning artificial intelligence into income, skills, and long term wealth. So, if you are serious about building something real using AI, make sure you subscribe. Now, let's begin. First, you need to understand why AI skills are becoming so important. According to the World Economic Forum, around 44% of core job skills are expected to change by 2030. That means almost half of what people know today will become outdated. At the same time, AI adoption is accelerating rapidly. The Stanford AI Index reports that a majority of organizations are already using AI, and that number is increasing every year. Now combine that with another major insight. Goldman Sachs estimates that around 300 million jobs globally are exposed to automation due to AI. But here is what most people misunderstand. AI is not replacing entire jobs, it is replacing tasks. And the people who understand AI are replacing people who don't. This is why learning AI skills is no longer optional, it is becoming essential. Now let's talk about what actually makes a high income AI skill. Because not every skill makes money, some are interesting, some are trending, but only a few generate income. There are three things that matter: demand, monetization, and scalability. If businesses need it, they will pay. If it connects to revenue, it becomes high income. And if it can scale, your income grows over time. Now let's move to the first skill: AI content creation. This is one of the most accessible and scalable AI skills today because content is everywhere. YouTube has over 2.5 billion users. Every day, millions of videos are consumed. Businesses need blogs, emails, social media posts, and scripts. And AI allows you to create this content faster than ever. Now let's talk numbers. According to marketing reports, AI can reduce content production time by up to 70 to 80%, which means what used to take hours can now be done in minutes. Now think about this. If you can produce content faster, you can serve more clients. More clients means more income. This is why content creators using AI are scaling faster. Now let's move to the next skill: AI automation. This is one of the highest income skills right now because businesses are full of repetitive tasks: emails, customer support, data entry, follow ups, and AI can automate all of this. According to industry reports, companies are investing heavily in automation to reduce operational costs because time is money. Now, here is the opportunity. Most businesses know AI exists, but they don't know how to implement it. That gap is where you can make money. If you can build simple automation systems, you can charge high value fees. Now, let's move to the next skill: AI data analysis. Data is one of the most valuable assets today, but raw data is useless without insights. AI helps businesses analyze data faster and make better decisions. According to global reports, data related roles are among the fastest growing and highest paying roles. This means if you combine AI with data skills, you become extremely valuable because businesses rely on data to make decisions. Now, let's move to the next skill: AI marketing. This is where one of the biggest opportunities exists because marketing is directly connected to revenue. According to reports, more than 80% of marketers are already using AI in some form, and companies using AI in marketing are seeing significant improvements in performance. AI can analyze customer behavior, personalize content, and optimize campaigns automatically. Now, here is the key insight: businesses do not pay for tools, they pay for results. If you can help them get more customers, you can charge premium. Now, let's move to the next skill: prompt engineering. This is one of the most misunderstood skills. It is not about writing random prompts, it is about getting better results from AI. Better prompts lead to better output leads to better work, and better work leads to higher income. This skill multiplies all other AI skills. Now, let's talk about India because this is very important. India is one of the fastest growing AI ecosystems in the world. AI skill penetration is significantly higher than global averages. This means competition will increase, but opportunities will also increase. If you start early, you have an advantage. Now, let's talk about reality because this is where most people fail. AI is not magic. Most businesses are still struggling to use AI effectively, which means the money is not in tools. The money is in execution. Most people watch videos but never take action, and that is why they never make money. Now let's make this practical. If you are starting from zero, follow this simple roadmap. Pick one skill, learn one tool, practice, create sample work, start offering services. You do not need to know everything, you need to start. Now let's bring everything together. AI skills are not optional anymore, they are becoming essential. The people who learn them will move ahead, the people who ignore them will fall behind. If you want to learn how to use AI to build real income, develop high income skills, and create long term wealth, then this is only the beginning. Because what you are seeing right now is part of a much bigger shift. Artificial intelligence is not just a technology trend, it is becoming one of the largest economic forces in the world. The global AI market is already valued at hundreds of billions of dollars and is projected to reach over $3 trillion in the coming years. At the same time, more than 75% of companies are already using AI in some form, and that number is increasing every year, which means one simple thing: the people who understand how to use AI will have a massive advantage, and the people who ignore it will fall behind. That is exactly why this channel exists. This is Wealth AI, where the focus is not just learning AI, but using AI to build income, develop skills that actually matter, and create something that grows over time. So, if you are serious about staying ahead, make sure you subscribe because here we do not just talk about AI, we focus on how to apply it in real life. And more importantly, do not just watch, take action. Tell me in the comments which AI skill you are going to start learning first because that one decision can change your direction completely. And remember this: the future does not belong to AI, it belongs to the people who know how to use it to create value. Start today, build consistently, stay ahead of the curve, and grow with AI.